Hey guys, welcome back. This is Scott. I got something for you. It's actually a video. This is a screenshot. I just want to show it to you holding still so you can see it. And this is from Missouri, allegedly, on December 8th, 2024, 7:38 p.m. A guy's aunt, security cam, caught this on her backyard. It looks like she has a little ranch over in Missouri. It's pretty awesome, pretty neat. And we've been hearing so much about drones and unusual things flying around. This video is just very remarkable. It really, really is. And the objects in it, well, I'll let you decide for yourself what you think is going on here. Because to me, this looks like a UFO. This is just a screenshot here. This is just a screenshot. And there's two of them, 1, 2, and they're following each other. They don't have wings, but they do leave a mist-like propulsion behind them of some sort, some kind of disturbance as they're flying through the sky. So tell me your thoughts. Look at this video, and hopefully you like it. Hit that like and subscribe. Here is the original source, and the original source is actually a social media site, TikTok. TikTok, yeah, that's right. And the person up here is named Somebody on the Internet. And the person states, "My aunt's camera caught this in her backyard today." And it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Looks more like a kid's account when I go to it, and I see a lot of kids' videos, games, and things like that. It looks like the person's probably 12 to 14 and posted this, even though the picture is of an older guy. And I'll look at that in just a second. However, when you're watching this video, you'll hear some dogs barking. I mean, in the Majestic 12 documents and the Project Blue Book documents, there was numerous occasions where objects were recorded flying over, and animals just suddenly went crazy. They just got irritated. They just got stir crazy and they're making noise. Horses are neighing, and chickens running around, and it's just, and dogs barking. Lots of dogs barking in a lot of the reports. You could hear it here. You think, "Oh, that's not evidence. That's not evidence." Everything's evidence, brother. Everything's evidence. Any change in behavior is evidence. Any unusual behavior is evidence. And that is something we have to pay attention to. This person over here says, "If this is Missouri, then I've seen these too. They're extremely bright. They spin. They are so strange looking." And then they go on to say, "Well, it's been a while, a couple months ago, but I saw two things exactly like these near Rolla, Missouri. They were extremely bright. One was in shades of white and one was in shades of red." How awesome is that? That's pretty awesome to me. And then it comes down more and more and saying noticing the dogs are barking, and that should be considered. And other things is that the location. People ask where the location is, and one person seems to know this person, and he says constantly, "It is Missouri. It is Missouri." So it's a farm in Missouri. And let's click on his little social media area there, and you see that this somebody on the internet, his picture is gone over here for some reason, but he has these little kids games and things like that, and other little things. So it looks like he's kind of playing around with stuff, having fun, thinking it's kind of interesting. However, what is really interesting is his video that he posted about this. Okay, let's talk about the New Jersey drones. These drones are actually the Shahed 136 drones from Iran. They're very famous. I'm going to prove it to you in just a second. However, I want to show you this. These things have a capable flight mileage of 1,500 miles. Now, you only have to be in international waters and nobody can bother you if you're this little aircraft carrier carrying these military drones. Now, these are the same drones that Iran sold to Russia. Russia's now equipping with explosives and blowing up buildings and other things in Ukraine. So they are very, very dangerous, and they can take out an entire complex, a building complex. Now, this is the ship that was docked here on November 12th, 2024. And then on November 28th, in the next satellite photo, it's gone. It took off. And there was a governor, U.S. governor in New Jersey or something, said that he got inside information, probably from the CIA or someone, that this craft, this ocean craft carrying these drones, was off the coast of New Jersey. Now, he risked everything. He's risking not just his reputation, he's risking his future in U.S. government, guys. He's really risking a lot, even his own life. And I believe him. Because right now the public's saying UFOs, UFOs, UFOs over New Jersey. I don't think so. Come on, guys. It's New Jersey. There's nothing there for them to look at. Anyway, those are Iran drones flying over New Jersey. Why? Because Iran's trying to manipulate the Biden administration while they can, while Biden's a little incapacitated a little bit with his memory loss, that they can manipulate the U.S. government to pass a certain bill. And guess what? It did. It passed just a few days ago. And a Biden administration extends $10 billion sanctions waiver 2 days after Trump election win. Okay, so what they did is they gave them $10 billion at the least. I'm sure there's going to be a lot more than just that. There's going to be weapons. There's going to be other things that Iran's going to get. However, do you see the pattern, guys? Do you see the pattern? Okay. Now, let's look at this. This is the website I wanted to show you earlier. Now, this is a military article, and there's unidentified drones over U.S. bases in Germany. And what do you see a picture of? You see a picture of the drone. The same drone. It's the same drone. Now, this is the drone they identified flying over them. I believe this picture might be actually from Iran because it says Tehran underneath. However, I do believe they have identified with this article, they have identified the drone that's flying over their U.S. bases in Germany. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? That's just something, isn't it? Seems pretty important to me. Okay, as promised, here is actual footage, drone footage of this Iran drone in Iran in action. It's a test. It's just a test. No one's getting harmed here. However, they are very, very dangerous. Look at these things. Look how fast they launch off this little truck. They're just launching from the truck. They need a longer landing pad because they're landing and they catch it on the ship. They put up a little net, fishing net or whatever, catches it. Look at those things. They carry explosives. Now imagine those things carrying possibly the stolen viruses. Over 336 files of stolen viruses disappeared from a genetic lab in Australia. And they just told us a few days ago. What if they have these genetic viruses inside mixed with, gallons and gallons of whatever, water or whatever, silicon, whatever, a saline solution that makes it spread out more? What if these things have explosives on them? What if these things have some kind of neurotoxins that can take out entire city blocks or more. Well, that's why Biden doesn't want to shoot these down. And that's why Biden signed that bill immediately, hoping that they will take these drones out of there. So since that bill's been passed for $10 billion, it's very likely these things will leave, or he's going to sign up for more money to Iran even more. How long is this going to last? Why do they keep hiding it? They don't want public to be scared. Hey guys, if you like this video, tell me what's going on. Hit that subscribe button. Tell me your thoughts about this, because it really is a complex controversy here. It's very, very difficult. Did you see that? That's just amazing. That's crazy. Okay, guys. Wow. Scary stuff. Good luck to the brothers and sisters in New Jersey. Hope everything goes well.